Welcome my channel Educational Wisdom. Today we will discuss some challenging questions from geometry. The first question focuses on the concept of similar triangles and requires calculating the length of side CA. In similar triangles, the ratios of corresponding sides are equal, which is a fundamental property used to solve such problems. Here, the given ratio is OD, OG equals AC, AT, where OD and OG are sides of one triangle and AC and AT are sides of the other. Substituting the given values, 20/16 equals AC, 4, we can solve for AC by cross-multiplying. AC equals 20 times 4, 16 equals 5 meters. This demonstrates how proportionality in similar triangles simplifies complex geometric calculations. Understanding this principle is crucial because it applies to various real-world scenarios, such as scaling models or maps. This problem reinforces the importance of recognizing corresponding sides and applying ratios correctly to determine unknown lengths in geometric figures. The second question also deals with similar triangles, asking for the length of side EY. The principle remains the same: ratios of corresponding sides are equal. The equation provided is EY, 8 equals 14, 16, which represents the proportional relationship between the sides of two similar triangles. To find EY, multiply 14/16 by 8, resulting in EY equals 7 inches. This calculation illustrates how proportional reasoning can be applied to solve for unknown lengths efficiently. Such problems are common in geometry and help students develop logical thinking and problem-solving skills. By practicing these types of questions, learners strengthen their understanding of similarity and its applications in various mathematical contexts. The third question introduces the concept of ratios in a real-life scenario involving the ratio of boys to girls in a class. The given ratio is 4:3, and the number of boys is 20. To find the number of girls, set up the proportion boys, girls equals 4:3, so 20 equals 4:3. Divide 20 by 4 to get 5, then multiply by 3 to find the number of girls. 5 times 3 equals 15. Therefore, there are 15 girls. This problem emphasizes the practical application of ratios in everyday situations, such as comparing quantities or distributing resources. Understanding ratios is essential for solving problems in mathematics, science, and even financial contexts, making this question a valuable exercise in proportional reasoning. The fourth question involves calculating an unknown angle x in a geometric figure where OA and OC are perpendicular to each other, and the angle between BOC is given as 71 degrees. Since OA and OC form a right angle, the sum of angles BOC and x must equal 90 degrees. Therefore, x equals 90 degrees minus 71 degrees equals 19 degrees. This problem highlights the importance of understanding perpendicular lines and complementary angles in geometry. Such concepts are foundational for more advanced topics like trigonometry and coordinate geometry. By solving this question, students reinforce their ability to apply basic angle relationships to determine unknown values accurately. In the fifth question, a straight line intersects two parallel lines, and the relationship y equals 3x is given. Since x and y are angles on a straight line, their sum equals 180 degrees. Substituting y equals 3x, we get x plus 3x equals 180 degrees, which simplifies to 4x equals 180 degrees. Dividing by 4 gives x equals 45 degrees. This problem demonstrates how algebraic expressions can be integrated with geometric principles to solve for unknown angles. Understanding such relationships is crucial for tackling more complex problems involving parallel lines, transversals, and angle properties. The last question focuses on angle relationships formed when a straight line intersects two parallel lines. These include alternate exterior angles, co-interior angles, alternate interior angles, corresponding angles, and vertically opposite angles. For example, angles 1 and 8 are alternate exterior angles and are equal, while angles 4 and 6 are co-interior angles and are supplementary, meaning their sum is 180 degrees. Similarly, angles 4 and 5 are alternate interior angles and are equal, angles 1 and 5 are corresponding angles and are equal, and angles 5 and 8 are vertically opposite angles and are equal. These problems reinforce the understanding of angle properties in parallel lines, which is a fundamental concept in geometry. Mastery of these relationships is essential for solving complex diagrams and proofs in higher-level mathematics. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with others.